One of the fastest growing segments in the motorcycle industry is middleweight adventure bikes. Growing interest in active and adventure lifestyles, mixed with the rise in popularity of adventure vehicles, has boosted the production and sale of the on-road off-road two-wheelers. Traditionally, adventure motorcycles or ADVs tip the scales as some of the heaviest bikes available and run with eye-watering price tags. Hence why manufacturers like BMW, Triumph, Yamaha and Honda are leaning on more accessible, lighter and more affordable machines. Price tags still easily run into the 5-digit territory, but the power and weight of a middleweight ADV is exponentially more manageable. With the selection growing by the day, it's tricky to keep a keen eye on what's out there. So we have compiled a list of the best middleweight adventure bikes of 2020. BMW F850 GS Adventure. The Bavarian offering comes in the form of the recently updated F850 GS Adventure, the rugged version of BMW's F850 GS. Built around the parallel twin-cylinder 853cc engine that produces 95 horsepower and 92 Nm of peak torque. The bike was created for long trips and demanding terrains, with enhanced standard equipments like the TFT display, BMW Motorrad Connect, a USB charge port as well as ABS Pro and DTC. This dual-sport motorcycle is a rugged machine with decent suspension and brakes, although its 875 mm seat height may put some of the shorter folks off. MSRP for the BMW 850 GS Adventure starts at $14,445. Honda CB500X. First introduced in 2013, the CB500X features the same engine, chassis and parts as the Japanese firms CBR500R and CB500F. The 471cc twin-cylinder engine offers easy-to-access power and plenty of torque. Light and powerful, this bike shines on back roads and city streets alike. Together with rugged styling, long travel suspension, a tall windscreen and more, it sure is ready for adventure. It's not the most high-tech machine on the market and doesn't come packed with tons of tech, but it is a doodle to ride, comfortable and has decent off-road and on-road potential. With an MSRP of $6,699, it is definitely one of the most affordable midweight adventure bikes. KTM 790 Adventure R. For those looking for maximum off-road potential from their middleweight machine, the KTM 790 Adventure is part of a new wave of bikes that put road touring second on the agenda. Built around the 95 horsepower engine of the 790 Duke, the Adventure R features high-spec suspension, rally seat and a special rally mode. Only available on the top of the range R model though. With a hardcore adventurer in mind, it balances the power of a twin with the lightness and agility of a single-cylinder off-road bike to open up new riding possibilities. It offers an impressive fuel range without compromising agility, feeding a powerful yet compact, smooth and reliable engine. Access more extreme and distant off-road terrains thanks to the easy-to-use rider aids and practical ergonomics. It isn't cheap though and comes in at $13,699, making it one of the more expensive options on the list. That said, it is definitely one of the most capable machines for hardcore off-road riding. Yamaha Tenera 700. The Tenera 700 features a fuel-injected 689cc liquid-cooled inline twin-cylinder engine derived from Yamaha's award-winning MT-07. This compact power plant features an ideal power delivery for adventure riding, for tractable and controllable power in every riding condition. With 72 horsepower on tap and some of the longest travel suspension on the market, the Tenera 700 doesn't shy away from aggressive riding when the pavement ends. The triple disc brake also features selectable ABS, which can be disabled when desired for off-road riding. It is also unbelievable value for money, coming in at $9,999 and can be spec'd to include even more off-road goodies if you like. If there is one negative with the Tenera 700, it's the single-mindedness of the bike. Its off-road prowess comes at a cost of some on-road capability. If this is a bit too hardcore for you, it'd be worth considering the road bias Tracer 700. Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro. With revised styling for 2020, a new T-plane crank and huge TFT dash, the Tiger 900 takes the midweight adventure bike from Hinckley from contender to top dog. It's lighter, more focused and easier to ride off-road and on it. The biggest change comes in the form of the innovative 900cc triple engine, which has the feel of a V-twin at low revs and the free revving style of a triple higher up the rev range. The Rally Pro sets a new benchmark with range-topping level of additional specifications including shift assist, 6 riding modes, heated seats and a tire pressure monitoring system. Its larger capacity triple and new suspension also makes the new Tiger a very capable long-distance touring machine. MSRP for the Tiger 900 range starts at $12,500. So that sums up our pick of the best middleweight adventure bikes of 2020. Of course, there are plenty of other adventure bikes that are serious forces in the segment, such as the Suzuki V-Strom 650, Ducati Multistrada 950, Moto Guzzi V85 TT, and the Kawasaki Versys 650. Let us know in the comments down below what you think is the best midweight adventure bike out there. We hope you liked the video. If so, please hit that like button, and if you'd like to catch more motorcycle news and content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.